Hopefully by now you have painted your plate. You will need today a loom template. It looks like this. You're going to share it with your shoulder partner. You're going to need a pencil really quick, a pair of scissors, and some yarn. Now, a loom is a structure that we need to build to weave on. So, let's get started. Take your loom template, one at a time, taking turns with your shoulder partner to use it, and place it on top of your painted plate. Hold it down. Don't let it scooch around. And then take your pencil and mark each and every notch on the template. There are 19 notches. So, when you're done with that part, I want you to take off the template, give it to your shoulder partner to use, and double check to make sure that you have 19 pencil marks. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, good. We are all set. There are 19 pencil marks. The next step is to take your scissors and cut a little notch on every pencil mark. That will make 19 notches. Let's speed it up. Wonderful. I have 19 notches. I double checked and counted, and I am ready to start adding the yarn. Flip over your plate. Then, take a little ball of yarn. Take the very end of the yarn, about an inch, and tuck it into the top notch, like this. Now, that's not going to stay by itself. So, we're actually going to need some tape. I forgot to tell you, we're going to need just one little piece of tape to create this loom. So take a piece off and rip it off like a tiny little piece of paper, and then tape down the tail. Once it is secure, flip the plate back over to the colorful side. Now, it's time to create the loom. Put the other end of the yarn directly across from the top notch, like this. You should have 9 notches on the right side. Oops, I only have 8. So I'm going to scooch it over one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. On the left side, you should have 8 notches. Perfect. You have 9 notches on the right side and 8 notches on the left side. Here's where it gets just a little bit complicated, but I know that you can do it. We are going to take the string and tuck it into the next door neighbor's house, like that. See? Then that next door neighbor kicks us out of their house all the way across the street to make the world's tiniest X. Is that the tiniest X? No. Is that the tiniest X? No way. The tiniest X would be to put it here. See the X? Perfect. Next, turn the plate upside down and repeat the pattern. The string goes to the next door neighbor's house, but the next door neighbor kicks us out all the way across the street to create the world's tiniest X again. Tiniest X. That means right there. Okay. Turn the plate around again so the string's coming out the bottom and repeat the pattern. Next door neighbor's house, we get kicked across the street to make the world's tiniest X. And then we turn the plate. Again. Next door neighbor's house. Whoop. There we go. We get kicked out across the street to the next notch over. Turn the plate again and do it again. Now I'm gonna shush and just let you watch. Okay, I went to the neighbor's house, but now I have nowhere to be kicked out to. That means you've done it. You've created your loom, and you are ready to start a weaving. You do not want to start weaving with this giant, massive ball of yarn. So, you are going to cut the length of the plate off and use this shorter tail to start the weaving. We are going to be taking this tail of yarn and we are going to weave it over one string and under the next. Over the next string and under the very next string. So the pattern is going to be over, under, over, under. But we're gonna stop here and make sure that everybody gets a loom made today.